Hey, my name's Kevin and welcome back to Tractors and Life. So I got some errands to do. It's the middle of December and we're supposed to get some lake effect snow today. Lake effect snow comes in bands, narrow bands, and depending on the wind direction, that determines who gets the snow. And the winds have changed to more out of the south-southwest, which is means we in the north towns will get the snow. Up to 6 inches or so, they say, possibly more in the persistent areas where the bands are more persistent, I should say. Yeah, so I'm going to get some running around done this morning. You know, by the way, I had a viewer ask me about the tire siping that I did on my R4 tires, and that's where I had a machine that has like an iron in it that heats up, and you can cut additional grooves, or what are called sipes, in the tire, and wanted to know the level of success that I had. And the reason is because if you're plowing snow or you're in a condition where it's real icy, R4 tires are not good. They're great in mud, you know, getting the tractor out of being stuck and so on and so forth. But believe it or not, you're actually better off with turf tires if you're going to be on a lot of ice. Well, I'm not going to get turf tires because my bigger concern is mud, you know, and dirt. I've got a lot of rear ballast between the rim guard and wheel weights, the rear implement. I've got over 1,100 pounds of rear ballast. So that's not really my concern. But to answer the question, was it successful? You know, I don't have a scientific answer to give you, but I can tell you I've been on a lot of ice with this tractor, and it handles it great. Very little issue with the rear wheels braking. Of course, when I do plow, I am in four-wheel drive, but nonetheless, my last couple tractors had R4 tires where I did not sipe the tires, and the present piece of equipment, the 2038R with the sipe tires, seems a lot better. So I hope that answers the question. It's worth doing. If you go back in our library and look, I think I called it something like Getting Groovy or something like that, something corny, and has all the information on where to get the tire iron and how much. It's not a lot of money, it really isn't, and it's obviously something I'll have for a very, very long time, and be able to repeat that process if I change vehicles. So anyhow, yeah, gonna also get the truck washed with all the snow on the ground. Have a lot of salt and what have you all over the truck. I want to get that off. So gonna take care of that, even though it's only about 25 degrees. I'm still gonna get it washed. So thanks for joining us, and let's get to work. Yeah, and so it begins. So it looks like I'll be back with you guys doing some snow plowing. I don't know how much we're gonna get, but yeah, we'll have some fun. Probably got about 4 inches of snow yesterday, and it's kind of compressed right now. It's been sitting for 24 hours. right after I showed you guys that it was snowing, about an hour later, my wife Tess had to go and pick up my daughter from the train station. She was in New York City with a friend, and their flight was canceled, so she had to take an Amtrak train home. Well, I tell you, it is no fun flying anymore. I mean, you just don't know if you're ever going to get home. She ended up, as I said, had to take the train from New York City, which is about, I don't know, 8-hour ride or something like that. So Tess went to get her, and right about then, this lake effect snow really kicked in. Now, it only lasted about an hour, but it put down about 4 inches of snow in that hour's time. And she said visibility was really bad. Plus, you know, you get weather like that, and I don't know, people forget how to drive. But I'm really grateful. I always say, you know, if you don't like snow or you don't like winter, I don't know why you're living there. One of the things that we did, that I did, was to get her a Jeep. And though she was out in that weather, one thing I didn't worry about is her getting stuck. She did say at one point she did put it in 4-wheel drive, but her having that Jeep gives me an awful lot of comfort, and just not having to worry about her safety, you know, in that regards. Hey, by the way, you're going to see this video on Saturday, December 20th. If you enjoy snow plowing and the lake effect snow and everything else that we have to offer here in Western New York, be sure to watch tomorrow's video on the 21st, Sunday. I normally put them out about 7 o'clock. I think you'll really enjoy it. All right, we're all plowed out. You see that snow pile? Maybe it's hard telling camera, but it's growing and growing. Yeah, been plowing a lot so far. I don't know if this is indicative of the rest of the winter or not, but it's colder than usual and snowier than usual. Although, you know, no big storms. I'm still dying to see what this tractor could do with a couple feet of snow. I know we're gonna get it. Yeah, but it'll be fun to find out. Hey, you know what else is fun is being with you guys. Thank you so much. Hey, real quick, if you have subscribed to our channel in the past, please check to be sure that you're still subscribed. If you haven't, we'd love to have you part of the Tractors and Life family. So until next time, God bless you all, and we'll see you next time on Tractors and Life.